Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. So today I'm going to show you how to make a before and after thumbnail for your YouTube videos. So whether in the beauty space or you're in the weight loss space or fitness space, you have a before picture and after picture, and it's a great way to get people to click through to your video because you're showing them what they should expect. So I'm gonna try and make our own today using Canva Pro. So here, type in YouTube thumbnail. It's already coming up for me. And the best thing about Canva is that they'll give you the sizes for different things as a template. So you can, like your Twitter post or your Facebook post, they'll have those in there as templates, and you can start either from a design that they give to you. Some of these are pretty good to start off with off the bat. Or you're able to create your own. So I'm going to go and hit blank. And we're going to create our brand new before and after thumbnail. So you can name it up top, before and after. Okay, so let's begin. I've already started with the images that I want to use today. So I have two versions of an old Mustang. And we're going to use these for before and after thumbnail. So for you, if you want to add images to Canva, hit uploads, upload an image, bring your image in, and you'll be able to bring it into this library, which is great because it saves all of your uploads. So you don't have to go and try and find that image again, which is great. So I've talked about this feature before in Canva where you're able to remove the background. This is only found in Canva Pro, and again, I'm definitely telling you to try it. If you're someone that loves using Canva, just take the next step and try Canva Pro and get the features that make your life easier. There will be a link in my description for you to try Canva for free, but maybe you want to take the next step and get Canva Pro. So at least you'll be able to try to get the trial, and you see where you go from there. So feel free to use my link and try Canva for free. So now we're going to remove the background, and all we have to do is hit this button, background remover. It's found in effects. We let Canva do its thing. And now the picture is there for us perfectly away from its background, which is wonderful. This is what I want. I'm going to bring in the next photo that I have saved, and I'm going to do the same. I'm going to remove the background. So again, you hit the picture, hit effects, remove the background, give Canvas a chance, and there we go. We have our two Mustangs. So I'm going to flip this. So I'm going to change it just by hitting flip horizontal, and now the picture is the other direction, which is what I want right now. So I'm just going to make these two bit smaller so that they can both fit together in this thumbnail. And what I like to do is to kind of make the before not as prominent as the brand, what we're going for. Kind of make that size larger because that's what I'm trying to emphasize. So next, we want the images to stand out some more. So I'm going to bring in a square here. That's my favorite one, the square with the rounded edges. And I'm going to position this behind the current car. So we'll just hit position backward. And you want to do that until the car pops up in front. You can even do it the other way where you bring the car to the front of the image, and then it will sit on top of the background. Okay. So now you are always advised to use colors that are bright and will catch someone's eye. In this case, for the before, I'm just going to go with a darker green. No, let's go with orange here. And then the good thing about Canva is that you're able to really play around with palettes to get exactly the color you're trying to find. So I have the bright orange here and making sure that my image does still stand out here on top. Next, we're going to bring in a background for the next car, and we can just duplicate. So we'll hit the square in the background, hit duplicate, and now we have 2. And spread this out a bit. And we're going to change this color to green. This green is bright, it will pop, and definitely get the attention of viewers. And it's also a positive color. So, of course, green is go. You know, it means that, hey, something good is happening right now. It's also the color of money. So it can't be wrong. Okay, so now we have the car on the left, car on the right, and we have 2 contrasting backgrounds, and it's already standing out. So you can already see that, hey, this car is kind of sad, and this car on the right is looking great. So one more thing we could try with the car on the left is to make it a bit duller and sadder, which I've seen people kind of like, you know, really make the one before look terrible so that the next one looks great. So let's put this in grayscale. So I chose, let's choose grayscale here. Here we go. So Canva also gives you effects. You're able to play around and you can make this a bit more less intense. So it's a little bit darker so you can still see some of the previous color. And there we go. So now we got 2 backgrounds. Now we want to have something separated between them just to show a little bit more of division between the images. So I'll type in line, and Canva gives you this for free. Just gonna turn this 90 degrees and let's make it white and put it right in between the images. Great. So now we're definitely seeing a divide between the 2. Now let's really make it complete and add a title at the top. Just bring in a regular square. Let's put it at the top of this guy here. Let's bring this up top. And we're gonna make this one green. Basically to match the green on the next side. And I'm just going to position it just behind the line. There we go. So now it's sitting on top. So one of the fun things, really fun things about Canva is all the text options that you're given. And they have some really cool templates that are already here, even some like highlighted versions. But what I want to do is kind of keep it simple today. So I hit add heading. And we're just gonna write before. All caps, all day. And make this huge. Next, I'm gonna change this to white. And let's just find a font that can really work here, something fun. So this looks fun. Luckiest Guy if you're looking for it in Canva. It's the font I'm using right now. So this is our before. Let's lower it a little bit, which it means you can either pull it with your mouse or move it up and down with the arrows. So I'm moving it with the arrows right now. And on the after side, I'm gonna bring in another square. Actually, I'm just going to be lazy and duplicate. Why not? And we're going to put it behind the white line. It's still here, I promise. And we're going to make this orange. So it's matching the color on the left. And sometimes I get directions wrong. Please don't blame me. I'm just not really good at them. There we go. And now they're kind of lined up. Perfect. So I'm just going to duplicate this text. Hit duplicate. And we're going to type after and add it to the top. And there you go. It's a really simple layout, just highlighting 2 images. Very clean. And of course, you're encouraged to just focus on your images in your YouTube thumbnail and keep it simple. So yeah, there you go. A before and after thumbnail. My advice again, make this as lavish as possible. Make this as dull as possible. Keep your font simple, your colors bright, and you'll have a thumbnail that people want to click through and watch your videos, which is of course the best thing that can happen to you on YouTube. So thanks again for watching this video. You know, I'm going to ask you to please subscribe. I do create new videos every Monday and Wednesday. And it always pushes me, encourages me to make more videos that you want, content to help you be better using whatever software it is. This is what I use to make thumbnails. I use Canva. What do you use? Let me compare and see which one works best. Again, I can never end without saying thanks for watching.